I'm coming home.
Real.
It's a celebration. Look how long we've waited. Royalty and greatness. No cap or gown, we made it. I'm coming home.
Trust me, they know how I'm coming.
I'm coming home.
It feel good to be back.
It's a celebration. Look how long we've waited. Royalty and greatness. No cap or gown, we made it.
Oh, let go. I give me some paper, then write down my goal.
Homecoming 2023. Y'all know what it is. It's about to go up.
Welcome to Ground Found 2013 Grambling Homecoming. Love you all.
Let's take a stroll. Don't do this for trophies, I do this for home. I'm bringing it home. Homecoming. Woo. Trust me, they know how I'm coming. They know. Real. Trust me, they know how I'm coming. Come through like the president, decadence, elegance, valedictorian, respect my intelligence. Sorry you can't put a price on this melanin, covered in excellence.
I'm coming home.
Where we at?
I'm coming home.
Live from the sea, baby. We outside.
Look how long we waited. Royalty and greatness.
That's what Martin was marching for.
We made it. I'm coming home.
Trust me, they know how I'm coming.
I'm coming home.
Hey.
It's a celebration. Look how long we've waited. Royalty and greatness. No cap or gown, we made it.
Hello, this is my real sister, Deja Mo, period. We're at the Grambling State University's homecoming, where everybody's somebody with a feat sheet.
Come on.
I'm coming home.
Real.
It's a celebration. Look how long we've waited. Royalty and greatness. No cap or gown, we made it. I'm coming home.
Trust me, they know how I'm coming.
I'm coming home.
Grambling Homecoming 2023, Delta Sigma, the mighty lumberyard. We outside, man. It's homecoming. Oh, we got fried fish out here too. You know what I'm talking about? That's unlimited. We got the grills out here. That's unlimited. Oh man, oh no, we ain't gotta show them much. That ain't it. We got the vibes all out here, man. As soon as halftime over with, it's up. Holla at the gang. We outside.
Homecoming 2023. It's your boy Hitman Tatum. Back in ground, baby. Love to see you.
Look, from Huntington to Grambling. Hello.
Grambling Homecoming. They got Onk on the grill. Alright, we officially are the old school members of Grambling. Join Homecoming, keep watching the vlog. If anything happen, blame people.
Come on.
I'm coming home.
Yeah. That look good.
It's a celebration. Look how long
In the field with my team, we be vibing. We left our daughters at home because we outside with it.
no cap or gown, we made it. I'm coming home.
Trust me, they know how I'm coming.
I'm coming home.
It feel good to be back.
It's a celebration. Look how long we've waited. Royalty and greatness. No cap or gown, we made it.
Oh, let go. I give me some paper, then write down my goals. Woo. Then hit every goal. Whoa. I give me some bands and come with trombones. Woo. They playing my song. Whoa. I only trip down memory lane. Real. Let's take a stroll. Don't do this for trophies, I do this for home. I'm bringing it home. Homecoming. Woo. Trust me, they know how I'm coming. They know. Real. Trust me, they know how I'm coming. Come through like the president, decadence, elegance, valedictorian, respect my intelligence. Sorry you can't put a price on this melanin, covered in excellence.
I'm coming home.
Hello, this is Emily reporting live from the Grambling State University. It's giving alumni. It's giving, I didn't go here. I don't even go to this school, but I went to, and I graduated. Anyway, you like my shirt? It's custom. Grambling alumni, the Tiger, GSU, and of course, X81, baby, you know, this is Happy Homecoming. Yeah.
Good to be back.
It's a celebration. Look how long we've waited. Royalty and greatness. No cap or gown, we made it.
Oh, let go. I I give me some paper, then write down my goals. Then hit every goal. I give me some bands and come with trombones. They playing my song. I only trip down memory lane.
Alright, so we're recording.
Back in, I'm a gun. Toot that booty up and grab
What's up, everybody?
We take some shots in this bitch. What's up?
70s was shit. When we were in college, Ebony was literally that girl. Ebony was gonna get to work. Ebony was gonna do the job. And guess what? Shit. She had that bitch. She had a wife. And you know what we had?
Whoa. We finna sing happy birthday to Flo. But before we do that, y'all gotta turn the fuck up like my sister would. I said, shit.
Oh, Nick, man, you know the vibe. We love you.
Hey, all right, come on, what a
Homegirl, a hoe, shake your ass like her. Sometimes your baby daddy broke, I got cash right here. Ratchet hoe, stop letting broke niggas nutty you. She don't twerk with her mouth open, I can't fuck with you.
Hold on real quick.
And then something pop up, and we gon' tear this motherfucker down. I'm on that nigga,
DJ Jayson, me the fuck.
DJ Chase in the mix, and you already know. That shake back shit.
Hey, Bees, I see you. The question is, who popping balls tonight? Who popping 42 tonight? Can I say on deck? Ace and Spade on deck. What we doing? Who popping bottles? You ain't got a cup in your fucking hand, get a cup in your fucking hand. We up. Damn here tonight.
I do this for home. I'm bringing it home. Homecoming. Woo. Trust me, they know how I'm coming. They know. Real.
Homecoming to G.
Trust me, they know how I'm coming. Come through like the president, decadence, elegance, valedictorian.
How you doing? My name is Jayson. I also go by P. Marley, Chef P. Marley. And I'm the chef.
Fuck that. So listen, this is P. Marley. At first he was in New Orleans, he came out to LA, became a culinary chef, then he moved to Dallas, and now he's in one of the 5-star restaurants in Dallas. You can catch him there. He gonna be modest, I'm not. Listen, he graduated from Grambling, he's from New Orleans, and he can really cook. So, if you're looking for like Southern home style cooking, you should really get in touch with him. If you're not, you're not. But if you're ever in Dallas and you're looking for that type of cooking, holler at my guy. His Instagram is IMP Marley. Follow him on Instagram and really just get into it because that nigga greatness, and that's what we promote.
You know what I love? Let me tell y'all something real quick.
Time for the
If y'all friends don't hype y'all up like this man just did.
we not about to do the peace sign. That's not what we doing. I'm gonna tell you whoever the fuck he is. Pull up to the kitchen, you gotta be crazy.
Don't do this for trophies, I do this for home. I'm bringing it home. Homecoming. Woo. Trust me, they know how I'm coming. They know. Real. Trust me, they know how I'm coming. Come through like the president, decadence, elegance, valedictorian. Trust me, they know how I'm coming.
I'm coming home.